Just got some mail. Yeah. Got some molding clay. So with this whole stupid coronavirus thing going on, there's not a lot of businesses open or people I can talk to go shoot some videos for. So that means I got a lot of time on my hands. But I want to stay busy. I want to create some stuff. So I thought I might get into some claymation. So to practice a little bit more with claymation, stop motion kind of stuff, and kind of just for funsies, I decided to make this cool little video for you. This is Zach. Zach loves to skate. He doesn't skate that good though. Recently, COVID-19 was born. COVID-19 doesn't let Zach skate outside. Freak you, coronavirus. You know what's crazy? It took me almost 9 hours to make this little thing. Because first I had to make a little clay guy, and that took quite a while. And then I had to clear off my desk, destroy the whole room, shoot the thing, and then come back here and edit it. It's a lot of work to make a little animation like this. And it's not even that good. Freaking 9 hours for what, like 10 seconds of video? But I really did do a lot more than just play with clay this week. Here, let me show you. Dude, that was definitely the coolest commercial I've ever done.
Yeah.